Another of nature's master birds, which build their nests by to one another. Then it covers the outside of this frame by tying 3 different kinds of knots. The nest has a sound to a thin branch. It has a real struggle to tie just one knot. It is very important for this first knot to be in the correct form. Otherwise, there will be no point in continuing with the construction of the rest of the nest. Because if the first knot is wrong, then the rest of the nest will all be wrong too. On the first one, the knots multiply over time and take on the form of a hoop. Carefully calculate the dimension of the hoop it forms. The hoop has to be big enough for itself to enter the birds out. The bird gets right at after we hoop around it in this to build the roof space. Weaver birds use is the same as human weavers of grass and over each other. They employ this technique with great patience and eventually construct perfect nests. Live in. They look like giant cities made of hundreds of bird has built a house of the same construction, obeying the same power.